The President has welcomed the Apex Court judgment. Parliament too says it's pleased the court has confirmed the separation of powers. Despite getting his facts wrong when he started the furore in November 2018, One South Africa leader Mmusi Maimane says he has no regrets. Those involved say the ruling now opens up a bigger debate about the regulation of personal funding campaigns. Lindsay Dentlinger reports.
If it turns out that there is any illegality and corruption in the way that he has dealt with this matter, I will be the first, absolutely first, to make sure that he becomes accountable.
Bold words from the President on suspicions that his son was involved in dodgy financial dealings with a company which benefited from state tenders. But the man who set the cat among the pigeons says the matter now takes a different turn.
Given that Bosasa was involved in state capture, what was the benefit to Bosasa? I happen to agree with the Chief Justice Mkhwebane when he says, when you receive a donation for campaigning, there is a personal benefit in that regard.
The Mkhwebane Centre for Journalism says it's looking forward to returning to the High Court to challenge issues of disclosing internal party funding.
This will pertain to, for instance, when there's another election coming and when the president seeks re-election. So that's kind of where we would argue that this kind of transparency needs to be apparent. We need to know whether there was money that was given to them to support their campaigns, and if so, where did that money come from?
The Public Protector, meanwhile, says she's taking lessons from yet another adverse judgment.
This matter is actually about the interpretation of the statute, primarily the Executive Members Ethics Act. And you will see that the court itself actually is split on the interpretation, which is to show that in legal circles, it's normal for people to lose in court, just like the Public Protector loses.
The Speaker has welcomed the finding that the Public Protector cannot prescribe changes to how the House conducts its business. Lindsay Dentlinger, Cape Town.